A 3-year-old boy came to me. The mother said, "My child understands everything. If I ask him to get his slippers, he'll get it. If he wants water, he'll point to a glass of water and also the pot which is holding the water. But he speaks just 5 to 6 words." Hi. I'm Dr. Chayasha, pediatric physician from Jabalpur. As she was talking, the child was busy looking at all the things in the clinic with curiosity. He made eye contact with me. He smiled at me. He also pointed towards the stethoscope because he wanted to touch it. So, whenever there is a speech delay, the very first question we ask is, how much screen time does your child get every day? So the parents said that the child gets around 2 to 2.5 hours of screen time every day, and that too during meal times. The next question I asked was, what do you all do when the child is not busy with the screen, when you are with your child? Here the parents said, we too are on the screens even when the child is not on the screen. Dad is busy with the work of the office. Mom is busy with the housework, or she might be also be scrolling on the screen while the child is busy playing with the toys on his own. Now here everyone is in the same room, but very few words are exchanged amongst the people. And this is the story most homes in India today. Children learn language when someone is talking with them. Cartoon can say 1,000 words, but it never waits for your child to answer. It never notices that your child pointed to a bird. It never says, yes, it's a blue bird. Look how it's flying. And that is what your voice does. So what should you do as a parent? You don't have to set aside an hour or two for your child to teach them something. You have to just invite your child into your day. While making tea, you can say, can you hear the water boiling? While cutting a fruit, you can say, look how crunchy the apple is. Do you want it to be cut into smaller pieces? While walking outside, you can say, look at that yellow school bus. I wonder where it's going. And one thing that you need to do is stop asking question after question. What is this? What color is this? What is your name? Say this, say that. Instead, you have to be a commentator. You have to describe what your child is seeing, doing, feeling. If your child says ball, don't just stop there. Smile and say, yes, the blue ball. The ball is bouncing so high. That's how one word becomes two. Two becomes three. And then it becomes a sentence. Children learn language best when their days are spent talking with someone who loves them.